everyone, today we're going to learn how to edit videos and images right here on Canva. So let's get started. Let's talk about videos first. So here's how you can edit videos in Canva. If you'd like to use your own videos, then go to the upload section on the sidebar and go to videos. If you have not uploaded your videos yet, then you're going to have to upload them first. So click on Upload Files. And once it's uploaded to Canva, your video will show up right over here. You can select your video by clicking on it, or you can also drag it to the page, and it'll be added just like that. You can set your video as background by right-clicking on it, and then by clicking on Set Background from the drop-down. Okay, so this is just an example clip. By the way, in case you'd like to use video clips from Canva, then go to the Elements section and input whatever you want to input here, depending on what kind of video you're looking for. So let's say, for example, nature. Then we're going to go to the Videos section. And here we are. You can find some free video elements, but you're gonna notice that most of their video elements are pro elements. You'll be able to know that a video element is a pro element because you'll be able to see this pro watermark over here. But if it doesn't have any pro watermark, that means you can use it for free. Let's try to choose one. This one, for example. And we're going to set it as background. Right-click, set video as background. And there we go. In case you'd like to trim your video or adjust your video's duration, you can do that. You see that time duration number over here? Yeah, click on that. And this will appear on the toolbar above. So in order to adjust the duration of your video, you can either input the number of seconds you'd like your video to be, say for example 5. If you do that, then the first 5 seconds of your video will be included, but the rest will be cut off. You can also use these purple slider buttons over here to adjust the duration of your video. Let's say for example just 3 seconds would be okay. And once you do that, make sure to click on Done so that your changes will be saved. And that's it. In case you'd like to add another video clip, just click on this button right here, and a new page will be added. So to add another video, you can simply go to the Upload section, or you can go to the Element section, depending on what you're looking for. So let's try to choose another one. Let's just choose free elements this time. What about this one? Okay, we're going to right-click on it, set it as background, and then we're going to adjust its duration. So we're going to click on this time over here, and then we're going to adjust our slider. Perhaps 2 seconds, 2.5 seconds would be okay. Now, if there's a certain portion in the video clip that you'd like to include, then you can just click in the middle or click the area between these purple buttons over here and then drag it to where you'd like your video to, or to where you'd like it to be, so that you'd be able to include your favorite part of the video. Once you're done, click on Done. And there. In case you'd like to add a transition, you can also do that. So we're going to hover in between these two video clip thumbnails right over here. So if we hover in between, we'll see 2 buttons. So this one is to add a page. If you want to add a page after this one or before this one, then this is the button that you want to click on. And this button below is the transitions button. So if we click on it, we'll be able to see several transitions that we can choose from. We have dissolve, we have slide, circle wipe, color wipe, line wipe, match and move, flow, stack, and chop. And apart from that, you can also adjust the direction of your transition. So let's give it a try. So as for color wipe, let's try to adjust its direction. Like that. And apart from that, this specific transition also allows you to change the color of the color wipe over here. So let's try that. Let's turn it into, what about black? And this one should be gray. This one should be a bit of a lighter gray. This one. And this one should be the lightest gray. Okay, let's try to see how it looks like. There. As for me, I think I'd like to use flow. This is my favorite Canva transition, especially if you have texts on top of your video. It will appear really nicely and smoothly. Okay, so apart from that, we also have the option to add filters to our video if that's what we want, and more. So we're gonna click on our video clip and go to edit video here. And then from here, we can choose to put filters on our video. So just click see all to view more options. And then I'm gonna go back. Canva also released this new feature, which is the background remover, not just for images, but for videos as well. So in case you have a green screen and you'd like to remove the background of that to reveal the main subject of your video, then this background remover tool for videos would be very useful. And apart from that, you can also go to beta adjust. Here you have the option to manually tweak the lighting or the warmth or the color or the texture of your video. So you can adjust its warmth, tint, brightness, contrast, and many, many, many more. Okay, let's talk about texts and elements now. Oh, before that, there's a very important thing as well that I almost forgot to tell you. So of course, when you're editing videos, never forget about the audio. So how do we add audio files to our videos here in Canva? Well, that's easy. Let's go to the upload section. Go to audio and upload your audio first if you haven't uploaded yet. But if you already have, then just drag your audio to the page and it'll be added. And you'll also be able to see this option underneath the video clips. So if you want to edit your audio file, you can actually do so. Although the tools you have for editing the video are not that much, but they are indeed helpful. So you click on that, and then you will have the option to either adjust your audio or add audio effects to your audio. You can also adjust its volume, duplicate the track, or delete the track, all in all. So you can just choose from these tools whatever you think you need. And I guess that's it for the recording. Did I miss something? Oh, and if you have like a video, no, if you have like an audio background in your video already, and then you want to mute it, just click on the video you want to mute, and you'll see this speaker icon over here. So click on that, and then click on this mute button over here, and it'll be muted. You won't be able to hear any sound coming from the video, just underneath, just the audio track that you added earlier. Now let's try to add some text. So let's go to the text button and add text box. By the way, you can also just simply press T on your keyboard to automatically add a text box. Okay, so we're going to try to type in something here, wonders of the world. And then we're going to make our text look prettier. Yeah, you can also use text templates over here, but this time I'm going to show you how to manually edit your text. So make sure to click on it or select it. Go to this bar right here if you want to replace the font. So go to this page over here, button, and change your font over here. Can also change its size, color, turn it into bold, italicize or underline it, or turn it all into capital letters. And this is for alignment. You can align it to the left, to the right, to the middle, whatever you choose. You can also turn it into a bulleted list or a numbered list. Or you can adjust the letter spacing and the line spacing. Maybe we could put that there. You can also add effects to it if that's what you want. Scroll down and see whatever effects you'd like to use. And then you can also add animations to it by clicking the animate button. So choose whatever you'd like to use. I think baseline's nice. So let's see how it looks like so far. I think it looks nice. In case you'd like to add some elements, especially animated elements to your video, go to Elements and type down what you're looking for on the search bar here. And then click on Graphics if you're looking for graphics, and then the others if those are what you're looking for. So perhaps we can add this one. Put it right over here, make it bigger. That should be okay. And then keep adding the things you need. So we're going to try to play it now. Let me just adjust the volume first. Okay, now let's go ahead and try to play it. Okay, there you go. Now let's talk about editing images. So I'm going to click on this button so that our view mode would be the same as usual. We're going to add page, and of course, we're going to need a photo. If you're going to use your own photo, of course, you're going to go to the upload section and select the photos you'd like to use. As for me, I'm just going to go to the element section and try to find some photos there, just to show you an example. So how about this little puppy over here? So I'm gonna edit it. So in order to edit the photo, it's just very simple. Click on the photo and go to the edit image over here. From here, you'll be able to see the tools that you can use. You have a lot actually. You have shadows if you'd like to add a shadow to your photo element's shape. You can also adjust your elements, brightness, contrast, and things like that. You can also blur it out in case you want to blur it. You can apply a duotone filter to it. Choose whatever you like. You can also use BG Remover if you want to remove the background of your image. Color Mix is another set of filters. And so is Paint Effects, but it's more artsy. Going down, you have more filters to choose from. And yeah, once again, Blur. You also have Smart Mockups. In case you're creating a design for your store or something, you can use these mockup tools. Let's go back. And are there some more? Frames. You can also add frames if that's what you like. They have frames over here. And more filters. Apart from the filters, they also have this auto enhance tool, which helps enhance your photo. Autofocus, which helps focus your photo. Face retouch, by applying light retouches to your selfies or photos. They also have another set of filters, so that's letter mosaic. And here your image will turn into kind of like a text that forms an image. Next, Bad TV, another set of filters that'll make your photo look more retro. Liquify, so in case you want to liquify your elements. They've got screen to make your photo element look like a screen, especially an old one. They've got slice as well. Something like that. Something like a glitch. And they also have this vision simulator. It's another set of filters that you can choose from. Apply color blind filters on an image. Something like that. Okay, and for editing images, you can also crop it over here on the toolbar above. You can also flip it, either horizontally or vertically. You can animate it as well by adding animated effects to it. And you can position it. You can use this position button over here if you have multiple layers or something like that. And then you'd like to send your element to the front or to the back. You can also adjust its transparency. This is for the copy style effect. This will usually work if you have like multiple elements over here. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to press T on my keyboard and I'm going to change it to another font to show you how it works. This one, for example, as you can see, this is the font. So if you want to turn this text to something similar to this one, just click on this. Click on the three dot button, I mean, and then copy style. And then paste it here, and it'll turn into the same style, just as this one. Okay, going back to the photo, what else do we have? The lock tool. So this is used to lock your element into place so that you don't accidentally move it around. If you want to unlock it, click on it, and click on this button again, and it'll be unlocked. And there you go. I think that's all for today. We hope you found our video today of help somehow. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. You have a great day.